Hello for everyone, my name is Freddy Cuellar. I am English tutor from Uniminuto University. In this video, we're going to work demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. This and that are singular, and you use this when the object is near, and that when it's far. The others are these and those. These are plural, and you use these when the object is near and those when it's far. These are some examples. Pay attention. In singular, you use this when the object is near, and you say, "This is my car." When the object is far, you say that. "That is my car." Now we're going to work in a negative form. "This is my car." "That isn't my car." In a question, a yes-no question, you say, "Is this your car?" And you answer, "Yes, it is," or "Yes, this is." You say, "Is that your car?" You can say, "Yeah, that is." In plural, when the objects are near, you say these. And this is the example. "These are my cars." You use S because it's plural. When the object is far, you use those, and you say, "Those are my cars." These are some examples in negative form. "These aren't my cars." "Those aren't my cars." In a yes-no question, "Are these your cars?" You say, "Yes, these are," or you can say, "Yes, they are." "Are those your cars?" You say, "No, these aren't," or you can say, "No, they aren't." In the other question, you can say, "Are those your cars?" "Yes, those are," or "No, those aren't." Now we're going to do an exercise. Pay attention. You're going to think what demonstrative adjectives you can use this. Look at this. Car, bike, pencil, books, ball, shoes, mouse, snakes, and birds. Look at this. This hand is near, and this hand is when the object is far. Come on, do it. Okay, now we're gonna check your answers. This car, that bike, these pencils, those books, that ball, these shoes, these mouse, those snakes, these birds. Very good. Now we're going to do exercise number 2. This is something that we work during the platform in the English number 1. Is my friend Sandra. Woman next to the door is my sister. Are my books. Is my phone number. Man over there is my college Frederick. Thing over there is a helicopter. Come on, you can use these, that, these, or those. Come on, you can do it. Now we're gonna check your answer. This is my friend because it's close. That woman next the door is my sister because it's far. These are my books because it's plural and are close. This is my phone number because it's here. That man over there is my college Frederick because it's far. That thing over there is a helicopter. Okay? So, class, these are thanks for your attention and keeping working. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.